Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change currency on XcelPay application. So let's dive into the video right away. First of all, launch open your XcelPay wallet application from your app drawer and make sure to log into it. After you are signed into the main homepage for XcelPay, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner. From the menu options, tap on Preferred Currency. Now, select your preferred currency from the list you would like to change to and tap on it. In the pop-up, tap on OK and you will be able to change your currency on XcelPay application. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.